How to download Horror Tale 1 on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on search. Now on the top at the search bar, search for Horror Tale. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. So make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name too. Now simply tap on install. So it will take some time. What is Horror Tales? So it is a suspense and drama type of game. Here there are horrific scenes that you can play, and there are even other different characters that you can play with. So the people who like horror, suspense and drama will love playing this game. So you can check it out. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.